You've probably heard this before.
Ha, ha, ha. I will make you bored. I will make you bored. I will make you bored.
Did you know you can change it? Let's see the top secret trick.
At first, on your Android, open Settings. Now, scroll down. Then, tap on System Settings. And then tap on Accessibility. Nearly there, click on Vision. Now, tap on Text-to-Speech Settings. Tap on Settings. Please note, in some devices, settings can be treated as eye icon. Tap on Install Voice Data. Tap on the language you want to change the voice of. Select any of the voice here. In some devices, you might see play icons for preview the voices. Else, when you select any voice, it will be automatically preview. When done, left it as it is. If you desire to have a sample of the voice, tap right here. Alternatively, if you have search bar, tap on it. Search for text-to-speech settings. And then continue the steps from where it takes you. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and drop a like. Thanks for watching.